Hello all, and we're back. You
You,
can say
like,
you can say hello.
hi. They didn't even see your hands.
Hello.
You're doing like a...
You ready?
You
So what do we watch?
A pay-per-view.
What was the name of said pay-per-view?
I don't know these things.
TLC. Table,
TLC.
ladders, and chairs.
I thought that was an ad or something. I don't know it was actually called TLC because there's a channel it's called TLC.
Yes, but they call this tables, ladders, and
No.
chairs.
Well,
Once,
then they need to say tables, ladders, and chairs.
once, many years ago, before you were even born,
Before it was even a thought.
yes, pretty much,
I was never a thought.
there were 3 tag teams.
Oh.
There was the Dudley Boys, who
Okay.
loved tables. You had Edge and Christian, who loved chairs, and then you had the Hardy Boys.
I know the Hardy Boys.
Yes.
That's like the only one I know.
And they liked ladders.
I prefer tables. It's fun when they smash them into each other.
And then so they had a match that tables were legal, ladders were legal, and chairs were legal.
So it's called TLC.
Yes.
Tables, ladders, and chairs.
Yes. Okay. So we did not see Sasha Banks versus Alicia Fox.
No, because he make the switch when he gets home, and he didn't get home, so we didn't get to see it.
Like you wanted to see it anyways.
Hey, I like to see the whole match. Okay.
Okay.
The whole
thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
But we did see Asuka versus Emma.
Uh-huh.
What did you think of Asuka versus Miss Emma?
It was a lot longer than I expected. Like, normally the fights with Asuka are kind of short because normally she wins them.
Mm-hmm.
She wasn't.
It wasn't like a very decisive win, like you would think it would be, because you would think like her first match would be like her killing somebody, and that's not what happened.
At all. It's like the exact opposite.
Out of the mouth of babes. I will leave it at that. Okay.
Stop.
No, they can't see, so what's the matter?
I have ears in them.
You can't hear it.
Yes, well, they can't. I can.
Oh.
You don't get it. I'm too much like her. You can't do stuff like that.
Okay. Well, you do that. Okay. So, then we had Brian Kendrick versus Jack Gallagher. Or Brian Kendrick and Jack Gallagher versus Cedric Alexander and Rick Swann. Do you remember anything about this match?
Kinda. Not really.
This was the one with the guy in the suit.
Yeah. He reminds me of from someone from like Harry Potter or something. Like the guy. No, mine. Like the dad of Ron Weasley, or like one of his, like the teacher that's into a werewolf. He's like one of that people. Okay. That's who it reminds me of.
I actually really liked this match. This was more of what like 205 should be. It was a tag match, but it was fun. I should say, I get that the Asuka and Emma match was long because they didn't have a lot of time, or they had too much time, but really you couldn't let AJ and Finn go longer, but we'll get to that. Okay, but I thought this was really good. I liked the tags. I really liked it. So there we go. Then we had Alexa Bliss versus Mickie James. What did you think of this?
I wish Mickie would have won. She's an old school fighter, and I like the way she fights.
Did you like the match? It's pretty good, huh?
I don't like it. Alexa won though. Alexa.
Did you like the ending? You did.
I like how she said all that junk.
No, not that. Not that. Like how Alexa won. Do you remember how she won? With just like throwing her into the, and then that seemed to come out of nowhere after the match had gone for a while.
I think it was an overall good match.
It was. I think this is the match where I kind of noted that WWE doesn't usually put on long matches, and this was pretty long. and so the crowd doesn't know how to react when it's a long match.
And
So,
normally the longer ones are sometimes bad.
yes.
And this was like a long match. It was pretty good. So
Right.
they were like confused on how to act. They didn't know how to act.
There you go. Then we had Kalisto versus Enzo. Did you see much of this?
I saw a little bit of the end. I need to take a shower because picture days tomorrow. But
This sucked. That's all there is to that.
almost anything with Enzo and it sucks.
I know, but this was not very good, and it went long. That was the yeah. Then we had Finn Balor versus AJ Styles. You saw most of this. What'd you think? As somebody that is not like a diehard pro wrestling fan.
I like anything with the demon Finn Balor in it
Mm-hmm.
because I think he's a good wrestler and I like his whole character, his whole act.
Mm-hmm. But what did you think of the match? Did you like it, even though it had AJ Styles in it?
Yeah.
You think it was really good?
I thought it was.
You told your mom you thought it was really good, and then you got mad because you got out of the shower and you're like, you said I didn't miss anything, and you like missed the first of it, and you said this is really good, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. She's lethargic. I don't know what to tell you.
Spit my gum at you.
Don't do that. But yeah, this was really good. It wasn't. I don't know if I'd call it great, but I thought it was really good. I would have liked to seen it gone longer. I think they could have gone longer. I think they could have went out and just let them just go, and do a few more false finishes and just kind of really go at it. But it was kind of cool.
I liked how at the end they showed signs of respect.
Oh, with the too sweet thing.
Yeah, and how the demon helped them up. That you could just tell that they, even though they were forced to fight each other, that they respect each other sincerely. And they're not just gonna go behind each other's backs and kill them.
Okay. Can you I guess not. Okay. So then we had Jason Jordan versus Elias. This was pretty bad. Did you see much of this? I think you were dealing with your sister while this was going on.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, you didn't miss much. This was not very good.
I don't like either of them, honestly, but yeah,
I
didn't sound good. Cause we always have it like a little louder than it should be, just so we can hear it out through the house in case one of us has to go run places. And I kind of heard what they did now, just that, and it didn't sound very good. It sounded kind of boring.
Yes, and they did the whole they did it like 3 times. Because they did the first time he came out and sung, and then Jason Jordan showed up and threw trash at him. And they did it the second time, and then they finally had a match. It was like, whatever. Anyways.
It's kind of annoying.
It was very annoying. It would
it's
fill
like
time.
Brother rivalry, kind of. It's like the younger ones having a lot of attention, the older ones just throwing trash at them. That's kind of what I saw when I looked at that.
Okay. And we had the main event, which was Kurt Angle versus Dean Ambrose versus Seth Rollins.
Kurt, Dean, and Seth are all the same. So it's not like a 1 against all. It's like Kurt, Dean, Seth versus 5. It was like
3 versus 5, which was Braun, Strowman, Kane, The Miz, Cesaro, Sheamus. What'd you think of the match?
I don't care what you say. I don't care what you say. And I especially don't care what you say. I'm gonna talk to you later. I thought it was a good match.
Why? Oh, just because they kept throwing each other through tables and stuff?
No.
Why?
I'm a kid. I like destruction. Of course, I'm gonna say the fact that he got thrown into a trash thing and got smushed up was pretty fun.
Okay.
But the fact that the 5 team members that weren't
the Shield
were going fighting each other. I like that.
When they all turned on Braun.
That's what he gets. That's what he deserves.
Because you don't like him.
I don't like him. at all.
Because he beats up your boyfriend.
Shut. He's not my boyfriend.
He beats up Roman. She doesn't like that he beats up Roman. She was quite upset when she found out Roman wasn't going to be on the pay-per-view.
Because it's not just, I think he's cute. I like the way he's built, and I like how he wrestles, and I like his special moves, like how he does the Superman punch.
What about the spear?
And I like the Superman punch.
Okay.
And, I used to, I actually, when a few weeks ago when it came out, he said what rumors, and then that's when they officially reunited the Shield.
Right.
Even though I say I didn't like it, I'm glad they're back.
Okay.
The Shield was one of my favorites.
I thought the match started off really good, thought it made sense, and then it just kept like...
Stop making that sound. Stop. I will get up and leave this right now.
I did not enjoy it. It felt very Tower of Doomish, which is funny because I didn't upload the video because I was like, I won't upload it. But I did make a video talking about this match before, or the pay-per-view before everything got changed. Talking about the fact that this was a very, like, Tower of Doomish match, and this felt very, with all the overbooking and just everything, it was just like, It was cool to see Kurt. The ending was cool. It was cool to see Kurt come back and, like, save the day. But it was just like, it was not, I did not enjoy it. But it is what it is. WWE needs to work on their finishes. That's all there is to it. They need, this is...
If you have all the stuff like bad about WWE, then why do you still watch it?
Because I like AJ. I like Finn.
Then why do you make us watch everything if you only like those
I don't make you watch everything. I like Joe. Your mom makes you watch more than I make you watch.
You make us watch it every Monday night.
I don't make you watch every Monday night.
Yes, you do.
It's not me.
Yes, you do.
It's not me.
Yes, it is.
It is not me.
And who do you think turned her into a WWE person? We didn't know what WWE was before you came.
Your mom knew what it was.
She didn't like it.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. But
everything's always his fault.
But I like AJ.
Mm-hmm.
I like Finn.
Mm-hmm.
I like Joe.
Which one's Joe?
Samoa Joe.
Oh.
You don't like him either. Because he beats up your boyfriend too.
Oh.
And let's see. I like the Usos. I like the New Day.
I like the Usos.
And
I like the New Day.
I like Sheamus and Cesaro. There's stuff I like. I often don't watch all of Raw.
I agree with you that they're better together than they are apart. Stronger together. They're a better team.
Mm-hmm.
They work better together. I don't like them though.
Okay. And then, and I don't make you guys watch NXT.
I don't like NXT.
Yes, but... And
I'm glad you don't make me watch NXT, because I would watch NXT.
And I don't make you watch ROH. And I don't make you watch New Japan, because you'd have to watch it on my computer. Or on my tablet.
If you keep listing all the stuff you don't make me watch, we're going to be here till freaking midnight.
Yes, I'm aware. But I don't make you watch everything.
I don't let him choose what I watch. He made me watch something I regret watching.
What was that? Oh yeah, we made her watch The Shining. She was not a fan.
I'm not a horror movies person. I'm like a comedy romance person. Like a comedy action romance person. I don't really like horror movies.
Okay, so what did you think of the show overall?
From what I thought it was a decent show.
Okay.
Because there have been worse shows.
Yes, I've made you watch worse shows.
I mean, like WWE shows. But,
yes.
I think overall this has been one of the better pay-per-views that I've seen. One of the better.
Okay.
I don't watch pay-per-views that much.
I know, but okay. It was okay.
I think it was great.
It was okay. Only because I didn't really. Yeah, it was okay.
Oh, well, I wasn't there like for all the poopy parts. I was in the shower like with Georgia.
That's true. Don't do that. Anyways, okay. So you thought it was pretty good. I thought it was eh. So
You think everything was it takes a miracle to impress
no, it
you.
doesn't. No, it doesn't. We could watch a New Japan show, and it'll be
No,
all like, I'll be all like,
no, unless it is that puppy dog getting torn up again.
It was a cat.
Whatever, okay?
It was a cat. It's not a whatever. His name is Daryl.
I've slept since then.
His name is Daryl. He's in ROH too. They had him on the last ROH big show.
Got torn up though.
No, there's a new Daryl now.
Stop replacing pets. It's irritating.
Okay.
Freaking stuffed animal.
Okay, say bye. Bye bye.
Now I gotta go a little bit.